What is Smart Scan offloading and offload block filtering? Smart Scan offloading. Exadata Smart Scan offloading allows the processing of the queries from the database server to the storage server. The Exadata storage servers consist of the processors that will perform data processing. The data that is requested will be shared and returned to the database server. Offload block filtering. Offload block filtering is an option available in the Exadata storage server that allows filtering of the blocks that are not required or utilized for the incremental backup. Using this, the required blocks of data backup are sent to the database. What is the difference between write-through and write-back flash cache mode? The write-through is an option available to use the reading mode. In simple terms, write-through is used in the flash cache for reading purposes. The write-back is the option available to be used in both reading and writing mode. In simpler terms, write-back is used in the flash cache to perform both reading and writing operations. What is the purpose of the spine switch? The spine switch in Exadata is designed to establish connectivity or add more Exadata machines in the cluster. The InfiniBand spine switch is used to connect and expand the Exadata racks. What are the parallelism instance parameters used in Exadata? The parallel instance parameter that is used in Exadata is parameter_force_local. This parameter is specified at the session level for a particular job. What is the secret behind Exadata's higher throughput? Oracle Exadata exhibits higher throughput as it has the capability to ship fewer data in the form of pipes between the storage and database nodes and other nodes in the RAC cluster. Oracle Exadata can run multiple processes at a time across all the nodes in the cluster, which provides higher throughput. It uses big pipes, making use of the InfiniBand interconnect for the data transfer in the form of blocks. The transfer rate is 5 times the fiber channel networks. What do you know about the IDB protocol? List out the different health check tools that are available in Exadata. IDB stands for Intelligent Database Protocol that is designed to establish the connectivity or communication between the database server and the storage cell. The following are the different health check tools available. SunDiag Test, Exac, OEM12C, OSWatcher. Determine the capacity of InfiniBand port. Which feature is available to eliminate the disk I/O in Exadata? The capacity that could be handled in InfiniBand port is 40 gigabits per second. The flash cache is the feature that is available to eliminate the disk I/O in Exadata. Do you know what the default size of a Smart Flash log is? The default size of the Smart Flash log is 512 megabytes per module. Each storage cell consists of 4 modules, so it will be 4*512 megabytes per cell. If you have any doubts on Oracle Exadata, then get them clarified from Oracle Exadata industry experts on our Oracle Exadata community. List out the methods to be followed to migrate the database from the normal setup to Exadata. Several methods can be followed to migrate the database from the normal setup to the Exadata. They are listed below. Physical standby, logical standby, Oracle streams, transportable tablespace, transportable database, ARM and cold and hot backup restoration, export/import, Golden Gate. Briefly explain or determine the steps to be followed to integrate the Exadata with OEM12C. The following are the steps to be followed to integrate the Exadata with OEM12C. Installation of OEM agent on the database server. Launching of auto discovery with the use of one command XML file. Specifying the required credentials for all the components available. Reviewing of the configuration. Completion of the setup. Do you have an idea of the package in Exadata used to estimate the compression ratio of a table? DBMS_compression is the package that is available in Exadata to estimate the compression ratio of a table. What do you mean by libcil? How many were Exadata wait events available in the 11.2.0.3 release? Libcil in Exadata refers to library cell that is interlinked with the Oracle kernel. Libcil helps in establishing the communication between the Oracle kernel and the storage server. This communication establishment is network-based. It does not use the operating system reads and writes. 53 wait events are available in the 11.2.0.3 release. What do you mean by check IP? Explain why it is used. Check IP in Exadata is an OS-based script. Check-IP consists of the IP address and the hostname. Exadata uses this information in the configuration phase. It ensures that there is no IP duplication in the network by adding some pings to check. It also primarily checks the readiness of the network that includes DNS configuration.